Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to track claims on the Chase app in 2025. Whether you're dealing with a credit card dispute, an insurance claim, or any other financial hiccup, the Chase app has got your back with its updated features. This process is straightforward and can save you tons of time and stress. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Chase app installed on your smartphone. Head to your App Store, search for Chase Mobile, and update if needed. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your credentials. If you're new, you'll need to set up an account. It's quick and secure. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Services or Claims tab at the bottom of the screen. It's usually represented by an icon like a folder or a bell. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of your active claims. Here, you can select the specific claim you want to track. For example, if it's a purchase dispute, it'll show details like the claim number, status, and estimated resolution date. Next, dive deeper by tapping on the claim. You'll get a timeline view, which is a new 2025 feature that updates in real time. This shows every step of the process, from submission to resolution. If you need to add more info or upload documents, there's an easy Edit button at the top. Pro tip: always keep your app notifications on so you get instant updates. It's a game changer. If you run into any issues, like the claim not showing up, double-check your internet connection or contact Chase support through the app's help section. They're usually super responsive. And that's it. You've now mastered tracking claims on the Chase app. Give it a try next time you have a claim, and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance hacks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.